Here we go again, sirens testing. I was about to do a nice lovely truck catching, but then I heard this. And it's not a broken siren, it's a modulator. That's a normal sound for a modulator and an EOW. I forgot it was test day. The first Wednesday they test. I always forgot about that. But I'm not going to stay here that long because I want to catch Mr. Softy and everything. It's just a test, guys. Don't worry. It's not an actual tornado or something. I think it's a tsunami alarm or something. But anyways, I gotta go. But it's just a test. Don't worry. There's my lovely scooter right there, my golden scooter. Yep, it stopped, so that's it.